high. So I'm going to keep this video very short so that I can be able to watch it to the end and then be able to get these PSDs. I do not want you to skip it because you don't know what to do to get it. Okay, so let's go straight into today's video. So you can see I have some PSD files. These are 3D effects, very good for your projects. You can see one here, you can see another one here. I'm going to give you 10. Okay, 10 of them. These are professional work. You can use them for any of your works that you want to do. Okay, and these are editable. That's the most important about it. And there are some tricks that I want you to also know about them. As you can see this one as well. Let me open it big for you to see. These are just cool stuff, guys, and I am going to leave it for you. These are for free. All right, so let's just go straight into it. Let me show you so you can see how nice it is. Let's go straight into the video. Let me show you how to do it. All right, so now something like this, definitely they are going to tell you click here to change the text, right? So you're going to double click it and then it's going to open for you like this. Now over here you can see we have you know, some warning signs over here. It means that you do not have the font. All right, but don't worry, just go to Windows and then go to character. All right, this is going to pop up for you. You can see that the font is Antonelli or something like that. Antonelli or something like that. But you do not have it. You do not have it. But what are you going to do? There's no need to download it if you do not have it. You can't download it and install it anyway. But if you do not have it, just click here and then just go and look for any font that you have that you think can do the trick. All right, and so I'm going to use back to black demo. All right, and then I am going, because you can see now it's outside the canvas, so you're going to fix that. Just pull it in a little bit and then pull it in a little bit, drag it down a little bit, make sure the whole thing is inside the canvas. Now you can save it, Control S to save it. You can see saving over here. Once it's done, it's going to load a little bit. Just close it and then it's going to reflect over here for you. The same font that you have, you can use. All right, and then you can also take the background off and then use it for any project that you think you want to use it for. All right, so let's bring in the other one. I said we have many of them, so I'm just going to handle just a few for you. Let's go with this one as well. This one is also a cutout. You can see over here, double click here, and then this one I have the font. Okay, the font is Montserrat. But I'm going to double click it and then I'm going to call it Seth K. Now I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, now this is just by the way. Maybe I'm going to make it caps as well, all of them caps. Okay, let me leave it like this. Control S to save it. Okay, and then once it's done saving, guys, this is the, you don't need to do anything else. This is good. This is crazy. All right, don't need to do anything else. Let's wait for it to load. All right, now you just have to go back and then it has reflected over it cut it out nicely and very good as well. Okay, so guys, we also have this. Okay, let me make it big for you. Okay, we also have this. We also have this, and then this is a crack. Now this one you can see it already. We also have this a bronze, a bronze. Okay, you can see this is a bronze, more like a metallic style, and then let's see, this is also a crack, 3D crack, and then this one we already did this one as well. Now there are many of them, guys. There are many of them. So how are you going to get it? How are you going to have it? You can see this also. This is a medieval text style. How are you going to get it? That's the most important thing, right? How are you going to get it? All right, so it's easy. All right, now I want you to check the description. You're going to find everything that you need over there. Kindly check the description. You're going to find a link over there. It's going to send you to my blog. Once you go to my blog, just try downloading it and then to be all yours. There's no password to it. All right, guys, so see you in the next video. Peace.